Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about one of the most exciting sky events coming up in 2025. On the night of September 7th, the moon is going to put on a show unlike any other. We're talking about a total lunar eclipse, also known as the blood moon. This is not just any regular full moon. This one will rise, glow bright, and then slowly turn into a haunting deep red right before our eyes. It's one of nature's most beautiful tricks, and the good news is, it's safe to watch with nothing but your own eyes. So what exactly is going to happen? A lunar eclipse takes place when Earth moves directly between the sun and the moon. Our planet casts its shadow on the moon. Normally, you'd expect the moon to just disappear into darkness, but that's not what happens. Instead, the moon takes on a reddish or coppery color. That's because sunlight passing through Earth's atmosphere bends and scatters, and the red part of the light sneaks around Earth and falls onto the moon. It's the very same effect that makes sunsets and sunrises glow red. That's why it's called the blood moon. So what should you expect if you go outside to watch? First, you'll see the moon looking normal as the evening begins. Then slowly, Earth's shadow will start to creep across it, making it look as if something is biting away at the moon. As more of the shadow covers it, the bright white glow will fade into shades of orange, and eventually a deep red. During totality, the moon may look copper, rust-colored, or even brick red. Sometimes it can look darker or lighter depending on dust and clouds in Earth's atmosphere. If there are volcanic eruptions or fires releasing particles into the air, the moon can appear even darker. So this blood moon might have its own unique shade that night. And don't forget to look around the sky, not just at the moon. When the moon is fully eclipsed, its light is much dimmer. That means stars and planets that are usually hidden by its glow will suddenly pop into view. In fact, during this eclipse, the planet Saturn will be nearby in the constellation Aquarius. With the moon dimmed, Saturn might shine more clearly, and you might even catch sight of some stars twinkling brightly in the background. It's a perfect chance for stargazers and photographers alike. And here's something even cooler. This eclipse is going to last a long time. Totality, the phase when the moon is completely covered by Earth's shadow, will last for about 82 minutes. That's more than an hour of pure red moon. Eclipses can sometimes last less than an hour, so this one is on the longer side. The reason is that the moon will be passing almost straight through the middle of Earth's shadow, giving us a nice long show. That means if you're outside, you won't need to rush. You'll have plenty of time to soak it in, take photos, or just sit back and enjoy the silence of the night with this glowing red moon above you. But that's not all. The September 2025 blood moon is also special because it happens just a couple of days before the moon reaches its closest point to Earth in its orbit, called perigee. That means the moon will look just a little bit bigger and brighter than usual. Not quite a supermoon, but close enough that you might notice it seems larger than normal. A big, bright red moon hanging low in the sky, it doesn't get more dramatic than that. In fact, about 77% of the world's population, over 6 billion people, will be able to see at least some part of this eclipse. That makes it one of the most widely visible lunar eclipses in years. So, find a spot with a clear view of the sky, away from too much city light if possible. You don't need a telescope, though binoculars can give you a closer look at the moon's surface as it changes color. Check the time for your location, and give yourself at least 30 minutes before totality begins. That way you can watch the moon slowly slip into shadow. This is one of those events where nature reminds us how small we are, but also how connected we are, so get ready, mark your calendars, and don't miss the blood moon.